Imagine turning a simple idea into a thriving business with minimal competition and maximum profit potential. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. In today's video, we're diving into the 15 most profitable niche business ideas that are not only beginner-friendly but also designed to deliver quick results. Get ready to uncover unique opportunities that could change your financial future. Let's jump in. Number 15, online workshops. Online workshops are a fantastic entry point for virtual event planning services, offering interactive learning experiences tailored to various interests. They rank at number 15 due to their accessibility and low overhead costs. Unlike larger events, workshops can be hosted with minimal technology and resources, making them beginner-friendly. However, they often lack the scale and networking opportunities found in higher-ranked services such as conferences or expos, which can attract larger audiences and generate more revenue. Number 14. Freelance content creation for startups. Freelance content creation for startups offers tailored writing, video, and graphic services to help new businesses establish their brand voice. Ranking at number 14, this niche is appealing due to its flexibility and the growing demand for quality content. However, it often faces stiff competition from established agencies, limiting its scalability compared to higher-ranked services like comprehensive digital marketing, which can provide broader reach and strategic insights. Number 13. Mobile car wash services. Mobile car wash services provide convenience by bringing cleaning directly to the customer's location, making them a popular choice for busy individuals. Ranking at number 13, they excel in customer satisfaction and flexibility. However, their profitability can be limited by operational costs and local competition. In contrast to higher-ranked services like full-service detailing, which offers more comprehensive packages and upselling opportunities, mobile washers often focus on quick, basic cleanings. Number 12. Plant-based snack foods. Plant-based snack foods cater to the growing health-conscious consumer, offering delicious alternatives like kale chips and chickpea puffs. Ranking at number 12, they appeal to a niche market focused on wellness and sustainability. However, their market penetration is still developing compared to higher-ranked items like vegan meal kits, which provide more comprehensive dietary solutions and attract a broader audience seeking convenience and variety in their meals. Number 11. Online courses for DIY crafts. Online courses for DIY crafts provide creative enthusiasts with structured learning experiences in areas like knitting, woodworking, and painting. Ranking at number 11, they attract hobbyists eager to enhance their skills and explore new projects. However, their growth potential is somewhat limited compared to higher-ranked services like subscription craft boxes, which offer ongoing supplies and inspiration, fostering a more engaged and loyal customer base. Number 10. Sustainable fashion resale. Sustainable fashion resale platforms allow consumers to buy and sell pre-loved clothing, promoting eco-friendly practices while saving money. Ranking at number 10, they appeal to environmentally conscious shoppers seeking unique styles. However, their growth is often hindered by market saturation and competition from fast fashion alternatives. In contrast to higher-ranked items like rental fashion services, which offer fresh, trendy options without commitment, resale relies on a more static inventory. Number 9. Customized home office solutions. Customized home office solutions offer tailored designs and furnishings to enhance productivity and comfort in remote workspaces. Ranking at number 9, they cater to the growing demand for ergonomic and aesthetically pleasing environments. Their appeal lies in personalization, allowing users to create spaces that reflect their style. However, they face competition from higher-ranked items like co-working spaces, which provide networking opportunities and collaborative environments that customized solutions cannot match. Number 8. Remote tech support for seniors. Remote tech support for seniors provides essential assistance in navigating technology, ensuring they stay connected and empowered. Ranking at number 8, this service is invaluable for enhancing digital literacy among older adults. Its unique feature is the personalized patient approach tailored to individual needs. However, it faces limitations compared to higher-ranked services like comprehensive digital education programs, which offer broader skill development and community engagement opportunities. Number 7. Handmade natural skincare products. Handmade natural skincare products offer consumers a blend of quality and eco-friendliness, featuring ingredients like organic oils and botanical extracts. Ranking at number 7, they attract health-conscious buyers seeking gentle, chemical-free alternatives. Their artisanal appeal sets them apart, as each product is often crafted with care. However, they face competition from higher-ranked items like luxury skincare lines, which provide extensive branding and marketing that can overshadow smaller, handmade offerings. Number 6. Online tutoring for niche subjects. Online tutoring for niche subjects provides specialized educational support in areas like advanced mathematics, coding, or foreign languages. Ranking at number 6, This service caters to students seeking expert guidance tailored to their unique interests and needs. Its personalized approach enhances learning outcomes, setting it apart from general tutoring. However, it faces competition from higher-ranked services like comprehensive learning platforms, which offer broader subject coverage and additional resources for diverse learners. Number 5. Digital marketing for local businesses. Digital marketing for local businesses focuses on strategies like SEO, social media, and targeted ads to enhance visibility within specific communities. Ranking at number 5, it effectively connects local enterprises with their target audience, driving foot traffic and online engagement. Its tailored approach sets it apart from broader marketing services. However, it competes with higher-ranked items like comprehensive digital marketing agencies, which offer extensive resources and multi-channel strategies for larger-scale impact. Number 4. Subscription box for hobbyists. Subscription boxes for hobbyists deliver curated supplies and tools tailored to specific interests, such as crafting, gardening, or cooking. Ranking at number 4, they provide a delightful surprise each month, fostering creativity and engagement. Their unique feature is the element of discovery, as subscribers explore new projects and materials. However, they face competition from higher-ranked services like educational subscription platforms, which offer structured learning experiences and skill development across various subjects. Number 3. Virtual fitness coaching. Virtual fitness coaching offers personalized workout plans and real-time guidance through video sessions, making fitness accessible from the comfort of home. Ranking at number 3, it combines convenience with tailored support, allowing clients to achieve their goals effectively. Its unique feature is the one-on-one interaction, fostering accountability and motivation. However, it competes with higher-ranked services like comprehensive wellness programs, which integrate nutrition and mental health support for a holistic approach to well-being. Number 2. Personalized meal prep services. Personalized meal prep services deliver customized, nutritious meals tailored to individual dietary needs and preferences, making healthy eating effortless. Ranking at number 2, they provide convenience and save time for busy individuals while ensuring balanced nutrition. Their standout feature is the ability to cater to specific goals, such as weight loss or muscle gain. However, they face competition from the top-ranked item, which offers a broader range of meal options and flexibility, appealing to a wider audience seeking variety in their diets. Number 1. Eco-friendly pet products. Eco-friendly pet products prioritize sustainability, offering biodegradable toys, organic food, and recyclable accessories that cater to environmentally conscious pet owners. Ranking at number 1, they combine pet care with ecological responsibility, appealing to a growing market of consumers who value both their pets and the planet. Their unique feature is the commitment to reducing waste and harmful chemicals. Unlike other pet products, which may prioritize cost over sustainability, eco-friendly options provide peace of mind, ensuring that pet care aligns with a greener lifestyle. What if the next big idea for your entrepreneurial journey is hidden in a niche market waiting to be explored? In this video, we uncovered the top 15 most profitable niche business ideas with low competition, perfect for beginners seeking quick results. From online workshops to eco-friendly pet products, each idea offers unique opportunities. Dive deeper into these niches and who knows, your next venture could be just a click away. Embrace the possibilities and take that first step toward your entrepreneurial success today.